For KTN News from Voi, I'm Hezron Kimari.
And as the country prepares to mark the UN World Tourism Day this Wednesday, Embu County hosted a fun-filled night at the Mwea National Reserve as a way of marketing tourism products in the host county. And as a way of marketing the National Reserve, the inaugural Mwea Marathon was held where 5 races took place inside the reserve, with the proceeds going to educate the vulnerable children. Embu Governor Cecily Mbarire, who hosted the various dignitaries led by the Kenya Tourism Board at the reserve, called upon the national government to improve road infrastructure leading to the reserve to make it easy for locals and international tourists in accessing the reserve. The leaders present called on the national and county government to ensure that the county benefits from her natural resources.
The reason we are here today is to make Kenya know that we have a game reserve that has 158 elephants, has giraffes, has hippos, has all manner of animals. Na tunataka kutoka sasa watu wawe wanakuja hapa Game Reserve Embu as we celebrate the World Tourism Day. I want to appreciate the work that has been done by the Department of Tourism, led by Waziri Jamal and his chief officers, Kisilu and Kadiga, and the entire county government. Thank you very much for an excellent job. Well done.
Tunasema ya kwamba kutoka leo buga ya wanyama ya Mwea sasa hivi kila mtu ulimwenguni ameweza kuijua. Kwa inaonekana hata kwa YouTube na Facebook live. Kwa hivyo watu wote ulimwenguni walikuwa na opportunity ya kujua ya kwamba hapa kwetu Embu County Makema Ward Mwea National Reserve kulikuwa na mambo, na hata tulipokuwa tukiendelea watoto walianza kuona ndovu na wakaweza hata kukimbia, wakaacha speeches wakiongeleshwa na watu waone ndovu. Kumaanisha ya kwamba kuna mambo ya kutuliza mawazo hapa na kila mtu anakaribishwa.
Right, it's now time for us to take our first commercial break right here at the news desk. But remember, President William Ruto is this afternoon launching